Let's go it out with you. Okay?
It's not his leg. It's moving. Can I touch him?
It's the other wing.
Oh, right there.
No, it's the other wing.
Why do you say that?
Because that's the one that was out.
First, let's see what happens.
See? That one, I think.
Go ahead.
It's his legs.
How do you know?
Because it's not putting nothing on his legs.
So he can fly?
Maybe.
Did you get bit by a cat or something?
Harley, go away.
I want to touch it, but I'm scared too.
It has to be its legs.
Put it down, shoot it us.
Yep, it's his legs.
Doesn't make any sense why he wouldn't fly.
Oh no, it's too big. It's too weak.
I'll laugh if it bites you.
Why would you laugh? Well, it's moving its toes.
Can I touch it, Mom?
Hold on, Izzy.
It's its legs.
Can I touch him?
What's wrong with it? Yeah, go ahead.
Watch out! Just kidding.
Oh my God, he's
You
so
know what I mean?
soft.
It's not gonna go anywhere.
Without its leg.
That's awesome.
Hey.
Nice.
He's hitting you.
Caw. Ooh, look at his mouth. It's mad.
Izzy, go get us some water. Izzy.
In that little bowl?
Hi, Oreo.
Little bowl?
No, just give me some water. Yeah, no, it's gonna hurt you, honey. I knew it wasn't your wings. Oh, I probably got a cat got it or something. See? What's up with his legs these days? Everybody with their legs.
It's not gonna drink that.
You were the bomb, Izzy? If you would go find me a worm or a bug or something.
It's not gonna drink that more. I don't think.
I don't think he's thirsty.
Make him drink it. I can't. Oh, see?
Oh, there you go. He's drinking it. Wait, let me see. Hold on. There he goes. Put a drop on his beak and he'll get it.
Indeed, the one.
That's what you do if you have a wild bird.
Guys, I don't know.
Or if you find a wild bird.
Is his eyes closed?
No.
No,
I don't know. I don't think so.
This one's closed.
Yeah, they're closed.
Izzy, go find me a worm.
Or bug?
No, not
A
a bug. A
worm.
worm.
Tito is thirsty. Drink it, baby. I don't know, dude. It's gonna die. You know what I mean?
Well, geez, you don't have to say that on camera. Where's he gonna die?
I don't know what happened to it. Maybe it is a baby. No, I don't know. Seems like it's
It's
something
not
with
a
the
baby.
legs. You gotta land when you fly. You can't just fly all your life and not land.
But it can still fly.
On a hot day like this. Oh. Feel me my rolls.
Stop saying that on camera, man.
There's there. Ooh, that was a good one.
He's learning now.
You bite me, I'll whoop your butt.
Throw it across the yard.
I see.
Feeding a baby bird.
How much can a bird drink?
Did you get one? Dig.
I am.
Open the garage a little bit and get the shovel.
You can't open the garage. How much water can a bird drink?
Well, stop giving it to him then.
But she's drinking it. Hydration is the key. Ooh, already pick it up.
It's dripping down his throat and then it's...
Need some water therapy. There you go. You don't want no water. No.
Don't give him any more.
It looks like, if you look at his belly, I wonder if a cat got it or something.
Let me see. Sorry. That's just gonna make it freak out, Mama.
Oh, I gotta see.
Okay.
It's opening its legs. It's gonna die. Let's go find a worm.
I'm trying. I can't find it.
Talking to Isaac.
Oh.
Isaac, can you find it a worm?
Hold on.